Is this the on the road video?
Yes.
Yeah, boy. Let's go out and get really wet. In more ways than one.
See ya. Hi, Toby. Just need to get a shot of the tyre that's dead. Rest in pieces, tyre. Ben here to save the day. Hang on, let me rearrange. We'll get there eventually. I promise. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Documentary.
We're only joking about that. I'm quite concerned. Tom. Tom.
Tom looked absolutely chuffed then. A wild Tom appeared.
And you did say that whilst I'm actually playing Pokemon Go, which was very, very fitting. Which one shall I go? Pick one. In fact, we're getting bro, actually. I need bro. Scralp. You caught me. My car's been so clean recently as well.
This is good.
Do you think it's alright, mate?
It's cleaner than mine.
Thanks for the approval.
Oh, we're gonna die. He's here.
It's keyboard player with my bags for life.
I have one more hand, actually. That's not true.
Loving the vibes today, by the way. Sort of late 70s.
I am 77 years old.
Incredible.
Very old.
Very old, man.
Hero.
It's quite wide steps, aren't they? Not waiting her up then.
Can't be normal in front of a camera, it just don't work.
I did enjoy that.
I'm alright, thank you, bud. Just taking my bag and stuff.
You ungrateful swine.
Services.
Hello, how you doing? Well, good to see you, mate. How you doing? You okay? Well? Yeah, not bad, yeah.
Good, you have a nice holiday?
Oh, lovely holiday, mate.
Just chopping the tan, I'm thinking. Hard work.
Say hello if you want.
Right, looking forward to this.
No one wants to see this.
You dumb yourself down at your smoke.
That's why I'm a drummer, we sit at back.
Can we save it over through Nell gig? No. And that was 8th of November, which we're supposed to do, which we got everything for.
Sorted.
Yes.
Rob's getting changed. I repeat, Rob is getting changed.
Nice.
We don't have eyes on it, but we kind of do as well.
We can see you.
We can see you getting changed. Gets changed where he wants. Rob Cooper gets changed where he wants.
Yeah, I really want to get changed here.
It's my moonwalk. Boop, 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 boop.
Like when a band member dies, it'll be a sad day when one of the Proclaimers goes, because it'll just be Proclaimer. And I'll go, da da da, silence, and he'd probably just break down into tears afterwards.
Thanks to everybody right across the board. It's been an absolute astonishing year. I'm going to pass you over to the Platinum Party Band.
Ben, how was it?
Amazing, mate, amazing! It's Platinum Party Band! Scran! Wash my hands before we go on. Yeah.
The Platinum Party Band. How amazing that's been. Thank you ever so much, guys. Thank you.
Shit hot, you man.
You're hot. Are you hot?
You're boiling, so am I.
I am boiling. Cheers.
Great content.
Counts.
My first one of the night. See ya. Bye.
On 95.
Thank you very much.